The custom apparel decoration industry is being positively influenced by sustainability. And one way that you can add sustainability to your business successfully is by buying less. Print on demand is continuing to increase within our industry, and you can do this simply with just a heat press. So number one to being successful in adding sustainability to your business is buying less. And you can do that simply by producing made-to-order items and printing on demand. Second is choosing well. And that comes to the blank and the heat transfer that you are using at your heat press. Threadfast does a great job in offering sustainable products. From their 180A t-shirt style to a few different fleece styles, they are using recycled polyester and they are a part of the Better Cotton community. So by choosing these blanks, you are adding sustainability to your business. And then of course, it comes down to that heat transfer as well. Direct to film is a water-based heat transfer, and I'm going to show you just how easy it is to heat press this product onto our sustainable items. Let's head to the heat press. The first item we're going to decorate from Threadfast is the 180A 100% cotton tee. Before I print my direct to film transfer, I'm going to do a preheat. Anytime you are working with 100% cotton, you want to make sure to do that preheat to release any moisture that could be in the fabric, and of course get any wrinkles out that could cause uneven pressure. We're going to be doing two placements on this t-shirt. The first is going to be a left chest placement. No cover sheet needed with direct to film. Ultra Color Max. This product applies at 290 degrees for 12 seconds, so it's a very quick application. And it is a hot peel, so we can remove that carrier as soon as that's complete. And now we're going to do another print location to take advantage of all of the real estate that the t-shirt does have to offer. The idea of sustainability when it comes to printing our shirts is being able to create something that customers want to hold on to. So unique placements or additional placements go a really long way. We're just going to be doing a back print here. And we're just going to repeat those same application instructions here. The 180A has a very soft feel and complements the water-based direct-to-film heat transfer known as Ultra Color Max. The 320C is the perfect sustainable option for fleece. This is their ultimate crew, and it is a cotton poly blend. And the polyester fiber is made from recycled materials such as water bottles. Again, we're going to be printing this with the direct to film. This is a super soft cotton poly fleece, which pairs very nicely with the Ultra Color Max. The other fleece style that I want to show you, which is made from the same cotton poly blend and recycled fibers for polyester, is the ultimate pullover fleece hoodie from Threadfast. And the reason I want to show you this is so that you know not only do you have a crew style and a hoodie style, but also that this is a very print friendly hoodie where it's removing the front pouch and providing hidden pockets on the side. So we're getting a nice flat surface here, opening up our print area with this blank. Before we print, we're going to do a preheat. And we're just going to do a repeat of that 290 degrees for 12 seconds to print our Ultra Color Max heat transfer so that you can see the finish. By utilizing these blanks from Threadfast Apparel and the direct-to-film Ultra Color Max transfers from Stahls, you can create one-of-a-kind top drawer products that your customers want to keep. For more information on the products used in this video, check out the links in the description.